Yeah, I've kind of thought about this. It occurred to me, why do I make you watch me actually cut the packages open? I mean, what is the advantages to that? Oh, here we go. Kershaw. And so, I mean, chances are I may go ahead and just open this stuff and we'll figure it out from that point on. But hey, if you enjoy watching me open a package, we'll make sure we keep doing that. H124, don't know. So let's check this out. I wonder. You always got people calling you trying to take advantage of you. And I'm pretty sure that's what that was. So, okay, so this is in the launch series, and I believe this 7550, this may be like a launch kind of pretty spiffy. Blade is very sharp. That laser etching is, you can feel it, it's pretty coarse. CPM 15, CPM 154. So I guess that's, no, I don't know. CPM 154. 7550 USA. So it feels pretty light. I mean, it's very light, but it's got some kick to it when it comes open. The pocket clip is, I would say, a medium heavy. It is reversible, not inset, not deep carry, and the screws are not inset. Looks like T6s on the hardware there, and a T8 on the pivot. I'm really not sure what's in these knives to make them good, bad, or ugly. But I'm not going to dig in there to find out. Be careful about buying these things, because in your area it may not be legal for you to own them. In my area, I can own them and carry them out in the open. But I have a concealed carry, and I don't know if that makes a difference. I had to check into it, but you're not supposed to carry these concealed in my area, because that's an automatic. If you see that right there, and that's something that you can check. If you push the lock mechanism down and pull the blade slightly back and it pops back into place, then that is telling you that is under spring tension the entire time that it moves. And what that means is it is a automatic knife. If you push it down and it's floppy down to here, then it starts catching spring tension, then it is a assisted open and not considered an automatic. So you got to be careful about stuff like that. Now your rules may change or be different in your area, so be sure to research those before you do anything with a knife like this. So this is a pretty cool knife. I like it. Everything feels good. It's lightweight. It's very light. Skeletonized aluminum scales, solid aluminum structure. Looks like they're basically screwed straight to one another to hold them together. And I don't know if there's any kind of bearing or anything in there. Can't really tell, but it sure does move pretty good. So chances are it may or may not be a bearing. So anyway, that's cool. I like it. This is nice. If you're interested in finding out some more about it, then we'll get together, and once they're all in, I'll kind of go through all of them at once and compare them each to one another, and we'll check that all out. So anyway, if you like this type of content, I would ask that you would like and subscribe. You're going to get more of it, but you're also going to get other stuff, so you just stick around. If you don't like what you're seeing, you're going to find something that's going to come out that you like, and so I can't wait to see you again. If you like this, please like and subscribe, comment below, let's talk about this stuff, and go from there. Thanks. We'll see you soon. Your time is very important to me, and I thank you for spending it here with me. Thanks, and God bless.